prepared for you today. So we're going to review Bobby Shafto's Gone to Sea with our patting and our clapping. Here we go. Bobby Shafto's gone to sea. Silver buckles on his knee. Sailed his ship to Italy. Lucky Bobby Shafto. We've been learning that Bobby Shafto has patterns of strong and weak beats. Strong and weak and strong and weak. And in music, when we have patterns of strong and weak beats, we can call it meter. Now, meter just tells us where the patterns of strong and weak beats are, and then there's a type of meter that tells us what the pattern is. So this is a pattern of 2, strong, weak, and then it repeats over again. So we call it duple meter. Duple means 2. And so the way we can show duple meter is by conducting. Oh, you're going to be so official when you start to learn this. I love it. So what you're going to do is with your arms, okay? And the arms in conducting show where the patterns of strong and weak beats are. So some people conduct like this, and it's super awkward. I call them Frankenstein conductors. So everyone say, put your arms out like this. Say, no Frankensteins. Okay? Some people conduct with their elbows right here, and you know what they look like to me? T-Rexes. So I say, no T-Rex conducting. So the best way to find your arms for conducting is pretend like you're hugging a tree. Real nice. It's a perfect tree. And then you just turn your hands out like this. So let's review this today. Shake it out. Because this is going to be some work and build some muscles like musical push-ups. No Frankensteins. No T-Rexes. Hug your tree. And you turn it out. There you go. So here's the pattern. Down, up, down, and you swing out just a little bit. Down, up, down, up. You don't want to go so far out here. That's so much work, too much work. Keep it right in the middle. Up, down, up. So now we can sing Bobby Shafto while we conduct. Are you conducting with me? Here we go. Bobby Shafto's gone to sea. Silver buckles on his knee. Sailed his ship to Italy. Lucky Bobby Shafto. Keep going the next song. Bee, bee, bumblebee. Stung a man upon his knee. Stung a pig upon his snout. I declare that you are out. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Get it done by 2:30. 2:30 is at the door. Get it done by 4:30. Queen, Queen Caroline washed her hair in turpentine. Turpentine to make it shine. Queen, Queen Caroline. Diddle, diddle, dumpling, my son John went to bed with his stockings on. One shoe off and one shoe on. Diddle, diddle, dumpling, my son John. Woo, how do your arms feel? If you've never conducted before, maybe they feel a little sore. Think of the muscles you're going to build. So that is how we show duple meter when the pattern is strong and weak. Now I'm going to show you something else. So here's the notes for Bobby Shafto, and I'm going to show you what musicians do to the music to show duple meter. Let's sing it with tas and toddies first. Ready, sing, toddy, 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 ta, toddy, 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 ta, toddy, 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 ta, toddy, toddy, ta, ta. So the first thing musicians do is put a symbol in the very beginning to tell the rest of the musicians who are reading it what the meter is. So we call it a time signature. Kind of funny words, but here's how I remember what it means. I get on my watch and I say, I point to it, or if you don't have a watch, you can pretend to point. Time signature, how many beats? So the time signature tells you how many beats are in the pattern. And since we know that this one is in duple, it's going to be a 2. So we draw a 2, and then underneath goes a 4. That means there are 2 quarter notes. Quarter is division by 4 in the pattern. So sometimes you'll see musicians put a heart. That's 2 beats. Or in officially you see a 4. I know the 4 can be confusing, so we're only going to worry about the top number. We'll say top number. Okay, let's do it again. Time signature. How many beats? Okay. There are 2 beats in the pattern. Okay, so we're going to go, this is an individual sound. It is not a beat. So ta-dee is 2 sounds, 1 beat. So we have to count this as 1. 1, 2. Okay, so after the second one, musicians add a line that looks like this. It's taller and a little longer. It's called a bar line because it divides up the pattern of strong and weak, so you know where they are. So I like to put my arm out like this and I say bar line, divider. Everyone say that with me. Bar line, divider. So we have time signature, how many beats? And the top number tells us 2. So we count 1, 2, bar line. And we have to do it 1, 2 beats, bar line. 1 beat, 2 beat, bar line. 1 beat, 2 beat, bar line. Do you see how that pattern is working out? Okay. 1 beat, 2 beats, bar line. 1 beat, 2 beats, bar line. In the very end, there's another special one. So we're getting there. 1 beat, 2 beats, bar line. 1 beat, 2 beat. At the end, we have a symbol that tells us that it's time to stop. There's no more music. Song's over. And it's called a double bar line, just like that. So my motions go like this. Double bar line, stop. The double bar line tells you to stop. So we have our time signature. Let's review. Time signature, how many beats? Top number tells us 2. 1, 2, bar line, divider. You count 2 beats all the way through the whole song, then draw your bar line, and at the very end you have a double bar line, stop. Everyone say that. Double bar line, stop. So there's one final one. I know it's a lot, but you're doing great. The last one is called a measure. Between each set of bar lines, we like to call it a measure. Sometimes we don't like to start in the beginning. We like to start in the middle somewhere. Well, how would you get all the musicians on the right spot? Well, if we count the measures, you can say, oh, we're going to start at measure 5. So we count 1 measure, 2 measures, 3 measures, 4 measures, 5. So that way we would all know to start there. So here's my motion to help us remember what a measure is. It measures the distance, and these are our bar lines. So measure the distance, okay? So we have time signature, how many beats? Bar line, divider. Double bar line, stop. The distance between, measure the distance. So let's count our measures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 total measures in Bobby Shafto. So now you know officially how musicians organize their music, and you know how to conduct